Discover the art of precision piecing in our Quilt Maker Academy. This class comes in both English and German, and you will learn things as the basics of accurate sewing, and then varied blocks like partial seams, Y seams, curved seams, foundation paper piecing, and so much more. Enjoy the online lessons at your own pace and schedule. You can exchange with other students in our private Facebook group, and you will get a weekly feedback directly from me. You will have unlimited access to this class. It comes with a workbook to download and all the needed templates. We provide you a mix from slides, which you can read through, and detailed videos showing you all the tricks and tips. All the practical exercises will then finally contribute to a stunning quilt, so you will have a finished project in your hands. Enroll today, and I can't wait to sew together with you.